Pulling into the driveway to the tea gardens. This must be where they grow the tea.
Only place in the U.S. where they raise tea.
I guess it's the only place in the United States that still grows tea. Look at all that. Oop, there's a trolley.
Ooh.
I wonder if we can take a trolley ride around the farm.
Not enter the Everest.
Don't enter that way, so I gotta turn. All vehicle parking to the left.
Welcome to America's only tea garden. Oh, look at all the tea too.
Looks like there's quite a few cars parked here.
Yeah, we have.
Looks like another busy day at the tea garden.
No more this.
Oh yeah, they have the
I love
free
it.
samples of tea.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the cinnamon spicy. Maybe that's the one that you always take.
Cinnamon spice is probably similar, yeah. So Charleston Tea Plantation. This is in the gift shop here. So which one is that?
I want the green tea.
So try the cinnamon spice, Mary. Tell me how it tastes.
Wait, it's too hot.
Too hot?
Oh, it's really good.
Is it good?
I like the cinnamon spice tea. Cinnamon spice tea. It's really good.
It's good, but it's hot. So don't burn your tongue.
Yeah.
Let's see. Today they have Earl Grey, cinnamon spice, Charleston breakfast. I wonder where their
Well, I'm gonna try the green tea.
tea shop has some nice, cute little gifts. Here's a little Noah's Ark tea set. Very cute. And teapots and stuff.
I like this.
So you like it? Which one is that?
I like the cinnamon
Is that the
spice
cinnamon
tea.
spice?
But I'll just finish this one and I'm gonna try the green tea. Because
Okay.
look at that, they brew it.
Oh yeah, they brew them
Look
right
how
back
big
there in
is
the kitchen.
Look how big is the.
Yeah, there's a big things back there. You can get yourself some tea mugs to go with. I won't call them coffee mugs. I think they have iced tea on the other side, maybe.
They have iced tea too. This is the hot one, and then they go.
Got the iced tea on the other side?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, look at that. Sweet tea, plantation peach, and Rockville raspberry tea.
Oh, I love the cinnamon.
I'm going to try some of these. Wow, this is good. This is a cinnamon spice tea.
Uh-huh.
I like it. It's good.
Yeah.
Put a little milk in it, a little cream in my tea.
Yeah. It's like
delicious.
chai tea. That's really good. Probably I'm gonna buy that one. $1.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Oh, I like this one with the heart shape. Oh.
It has a map of South Carolina.
But I'm not gonna pay $22 for that. I'd rather draw one of my mug in the house with a heart shape. So how do you like it?
It's good.
Nice, right?
Nice little side visit after
Yeah.
seeing Angel Oak. The Angel Oak. This is only another 15 minutes down the road. Get to stop here.
That one is the green tea mint.
Green tea with mint.
Yeah.
I'm trying that. Smells good.
Yeah, but it's really hard, okay?
No cream.
Yeah, I didn't put cream yet, so
Blow on it a little bit.
uh-huh.
Okay,
And
cool.
sip it. So which one is better, the cinnamon tea?
I like the
Spi-
cinnamon one better, but I can tell.
But,
I can tell that this is good tea though.
Yeah.
Got a little mint, definitely a minty flavor.
Yeah, if you want to put some cream in there, probably it's really good too.
Yeah. I usually like my tea with cream and sugar,
I
but
know.
this is still just plain. It's still
And
pretty
it's
good.
really good. So
Very-
I'm gonna buy that one and
definitely
cinnamon.
minty.
Do you think you're gonna drink the cinnamon spice tea?
Yeah, I definitely drink that. I want to
Okay.
try some of that iced tea with the peach in it.
Okay.
Ooh, I just turned off the.
Okay. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna grab that one. I'll try that one.
Okay. So you like that one?
No.
The green tea with the mint?
No. Maybe if I can put cream in it, probably it's gonna be good. It tastes nothing.
Anna's real reviews. Doesn't taste like anything. Anna's not really a tea drinker either.
Maybe no, I always drink tea.
Yeah, herbal tea,
Yeah.
not real tea.
Okay, I'm gonna try the green.
So that's the Charleston breakfast tea. You like it?
No, this is the green tea.
Oh, that's the
without
green tea.
mint.
Without mint. Okay. So you like it?
No. Tastes nothing.
Well, tea has a very delicate flavor, honey.
No, I don't like that.
Look
This
in
is
your face.
really good.
Which one's that? The raspberry tea?
Mm-hmm.
So she's trying this one there.
I'm gonna try the peach tea.
Oh, sorry. Peach tea.
Oh, it's good too.
You like that one? Good.
Well, I'm gonna.
Now she's trying the Charleston sweet tea.
Where's the cups? Yeah.
These cups were, oh, actually, here's some right here.
This one. Oh no, this is not really good. I'm gonna try this one, the sweet one, caramel tea.
You don't
No,
like
this
it?
is too. Is the
Have you tried the peach one yet?
yeah, I like that. Yeah. Yeah, I like that one. The peach one.
She likes the peach one.
Yeah.
The peach one's good. 2 thumbs up for that one.
Yeah, I'm done.
Peach one, sweet tea. I like it. It's good.
Yeah, even the raspberry thing.
This definitely has a nice peach flavor to it.
Yeah, but
Good. How's the sweet tea, Mom?
Not quite sweet enough.
Not quite sweet enough.
Yeah.
Oh man.
hey babes, would you like to try this? The $5 popsicle.
I don't want to pay $5 for it.
I know exactly. Look at this, but maybe it tastes really good.
I'd like to taste it, but I don't want to pay $5 for it.
Exactly.
You put one of those lemon packets in it.
Yeah, it's too lemony.
It's really tart.
And I put more.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Where did they find this one?
I don't know.
This is really good with lemon.
You like that, huh?
I love it, but it's cannot put all the fat.
It's so tart.
Yeah. This is really good. First time I saw this one.
So true lemon.
Yeah, the true lemon is
So,
really.
so I'm trying it in the tea here.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy this one. It's really.
It does make my
Yeah, I
my
told
mouth-
you.
my
This is my
lips
first
pucker up
time
a
to
little
see
bit.
like this, like a powder thing.
so we're buying that.
Yeah.
I like this little teapot with this dog. That's kind of cool looking. Right inside the gift shop, you can go into the factory tour. Take the factory tour. And here's the gift shop. Gift shop is pretty cool. Only complaint is that maybe things are a little expensive, but got some cool stuff in here. This little dog teapot, $65. It's actually not too bad.
How about this one? 65.
65 for that one, so they must all be 65.
Yeah, everything is 65. It's so cute.
I like that dog one there.
You like the doggy?
That's kind of cute.
It's so cute like this.
Yeah, yeah. Just don't break it because I don't want to
know.
buy it. I don't want to buy a broken one. And this is the factory. It looks like they're taking a break. They must not be making anything today.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the holidays, they're all on vacation.
Oh, this is the
But this is where they make the tea.
bed.
And you see the mirrors up there to see what's inside the machines. So it's not actually a process of making anything today.
It's a holiday.
Yeah. It's Christmas break. You can even put where you're from. Our visitors come from all over the world. There you go. John and Anna's Travels. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Crazy. Make sure you like and subscribe.
See? Even she said it. Next closest tea plantations: China, Argentina, Kenya, Indonesia.
Seriously, honey, I'm taking a photo and he was there.
Yep.
Oh, Sri Lanka,
Sri Lanka.
India.
India. Home of America's classic tea, Charleston Tea Plantation. I have to say, I think the Charleston Tea Garden, as it's called, also known as the Tea Plantation, was probably a very nice surprise. It turned out to be a little bit nicer and more enjoyable than I thought. Kind of a nice place just to relax and hang out a little bit. look at the area, look at the gardens, and have fun. So I highly recommend it. 2 thumbs up.